SolidWorks, NXCAD, so Inventor, Fusion 360, Solid Edge. These all are the 3D modeling softwares. So these all softwares will be CAD softwares only. Okay. So these all softwares used for design purpose. We have to use this softwares. These all softwares used for design purpose, right? Okay. So CAD means computer aided design. Okay. These all are the CAD softwares. Okay, in market, so these softwares will be available here. Okay, so AutoCAD, CATIA, Creo, SolidWorks, NXCAD, Inventor, Fusion 360, Solid Edge. Okay, so in that software, so CAD softwares, so some of the students are joining like AutoCAD. Okay, after that CATIA or SolidWorks or Creo or NXCAD sometimes. Okay, these softwares will be joining, right? See, these all softwares used for design only. You know that. Okay, but so what is the difference between AutoCAD and remaining softwares also? Okay, you know what is the difference. Okay, first you learning AutoCAD, right? Okay, so what is the use of the AutoCAD software? Anyone tell me? So what is the use of the AutoCAD software? What is the use of the AutoCAD software? Why have to learn this? This is also one of the CAD software, right? Okay, what is the use of the AutoCAD?
AutoCAD is used for drafting purposes. Length and height on the dimension.
What is the use of the AutoCAD software? Or learning? No? Hmm? Hmm. Nikhil, why have to use AutoCAD software?
Sir, it's used for any pictorial, any other image, we can represent it in a drawing with scale.
Okay. So AutoCAD is used for drafting purposes. Why have to use AutoCAD software? AutoCAD software is used for drafting purpose. AutoCAD is used for drafting purpose. What is drafting? What is drafting? Hmm? Hmm. Drawing with dimensions, right? Okay, so using proper dimensions. Okay, so how many types of draftings you are doing in AutoCAD? Okay, so what is the use of the drafting? Okay, what is drafting, Nikhil?
Using all the commands, we can draw required drawing.
Okay, so drafting. You are drawing any 2D sketch. Okay, so the 2D sketch will be having with perfect dimensions always. You are using that. Okay, that is called drafting, right? So in AutoCAD, what types of draftings you are doing? 2D drafting you are doing, right? And isometric. Okay, so what is 2D and isometric? What is the difference between these two draftings? What is 2D drafting and what is isometric drafting? You will know when. Okay, what is 2D drafting? Hmm. Yes. Okay. So 2D drafting, right? So 2D drafting means, for example, you are taking any three-dimensional object, any 3D object you are taking, right? So any 3D object having how many faces are there? 6 faces, right? Okay. So what are the faces? 6 faces are 6 views, right? Okay. Front view, top, bottom, left, right, and back. Okay. Any 3D object having, so 6 faces are 6 views are there. Okay. What are the views? Front, top, bottom, left, right, back view. 6 views are there. Okay. So you are seeing the component front view. What is the shape is visible? You are drawing that shape only is possible in 2D, right? So you are seeing from top side. What is the shape of that component? You are drawing that shape. Okay. You are seeing from side view. What is the shape of that component? You are drawing that shape. Okay. So you are drawing. So projectional views or orthographical views of any 3D object is called 2D drafting. What is 2D drafting? To draw the projectional views or orthographical views of the any 3D object is called, so 2D drafting. Okay. So projectional views or orthographical views means what? Okay. So that component front view, top view, side view, these views are called projectional views or orthographical views, right? అంటే ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తున్నావు, ఒక కాంపోనెంట్ యొక్క ఫ్రంట్ వ్యూ ఎలా ఉంటుంది, సైడ్ వ్యూ ఎలా ఉంటుంది, టాప్ వ్యూ ఎలా ఉంటుంది అనేది మాత్రమే డ్రా చేస్తున్నాం. అర్థమైందా? సో this drafting is called 2D drafting. This drafting is always having two dimensions only, right? One length and breadth only. Okay, that is the meaning of the 2D drafting. Okay, see next one, isometric drafting is there. What is isometric drafting?
So it's an three-dimensional view. We can view top view, bottom, and side view.
Okay, so representation of a 3D representation of the object in two-dimensional plane. Isometric drafting means, so 3D representation of any 3D object in two-dimensional plane only is called isometric drafting. Okay. సో అంటే ఒక 2D పేపర్ మీద ఒక 3 డైమెన్షనల్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ని ఒక 3D రిప్రజెంటేషన్ లో డ్రా చేసి చూపిస్తాం. ఓకే, దట్ ఈస్ ది మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్ ది ఐసోమెట్రిక్ డ్రాఫ్టింగ్. ఓకే, సో యు ఆర్ డ్రాయింగ్ ఎనీ 3D ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఇన్ ఐసోమెట్రిక్. హౌ మెనీ వ్యూస్ ఆర్ విజిబుల్? How many views are visible? 3 views. Okay, what are they? Front view, top view, and one side. Only 3 views are visible. Okay, just in isometric, so you are represent the object in 3-dimensional way. Okay, that is the use of the isometric drafting. Okay, so you are doing these two types of draftings in AutoCAD. Okay, so why how to use AutoCAD means AutoCAD used for only drafting. Okay, so what drafting you are done in AutoCAD means 2D drafting and isometric drafting. Okay, right. Okay, why how to do this drafting in AutoCAD? Why how to do this? Why how to do this drafting in AutoCAD? ఎందుకు చేస్తున్నావు డ్రాఫ్టింగ్ అనేది? Why how to do this? AutoCAD నేర్చుకుంటున్నా, బుక్లో డ్రాయింగ్స్ అన్ని ఇచ్చాడు, అన్ని డ్రా చేయమన్నారు, డ్రా చేసిన, అంతేనా? అంతేనా? దానివల్ల ఏమైనా యూజ్ ఉంటే చేస్తున్నావా? Why how to do this drafting in AutoCAD? Why how to do this? డ్రాఫ్టింగ్ అనేది ఎందుకు చేస్తున్నారు AutoCAD లో? What is the use of this drafting after doing? Yeah, how to do this? You don't know? What is the use of this one, Nikhil? Why how to do drafting in AutoCAD?
Sir, actually, it's a uh, basic AutoCAD CAD for AutoCAD, sorry. అంత ఐడియా లేదు సార్. అది మనం ఫస్ట్ ఇదే మన అన్ని 3Dలో ఫస్ట్ ఆటోకాడే మెయిన్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. అందులో నుంచే మనం అన్నిటికీ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ చేసుకుంటాం, క్యాటియా కానీ.
So in AutoCAD 3D also there, right? So what is the use of the 3D? In AutoCAD 3D also there, right? What is the use of the 3D? Why have to use this 3D workbench? Okay, so actually what are the topics you are learning in AutoCAD means 2D and isometric and 3D. So you know already 2D and isometric, right? So what is the use of the 3D? 3D is used for which purpose? You know the modeling? Modeling. 3D is used for modeling purpose. 3D is used for modeling. Modeling means what? So you are seeing your object so in realistic way. You are seeing your object in realistic way. So that object you are rotating in 360 degrees is possible. Okay, that object is in the form of solid shape. Okay, that is called modeling. Okay, so in real time, how to see that object in software also you are seeing that. Yes or no? That is use of the 3D. 3D means always used for modeling purpose only. Okay, modeling purpose. Okay, so that is use of the model 3D workbench. Okay, you are doing that modeling before you want to need the 2D drafting and isometric drafting. Okay, without 2D and isometric drafting you are not doing any modeling. Yes or no? Okay, so దేన్ని కూడా మోడలింగ్ అనేది చేయగలుగుతావా, కన్స్ట్రక్షన్ చేయగలుగుతావా, చేయలేవు. ఓకే, సో అకార్డింగ్ టు యువర్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్ you are doing drafting first. So by using this drafting you are create that model. Yes or no? What is the shape of that model? How much height you are creating? How much width you are taking? Okay. So according to your requirements, first you are doing drafting first. By using this drafting, you are create that model. Okay. So in 3D modeling, in 3D workbench. Okay. So that is the use of the 3D. Okay. So these three workbenches you are learning in AutoCAD, right? Okay. That is the use of the AutoCAD. AutoCAD used for only drafting purpose, not used for modeling purpose. Why means, so you are doing modeling also in AutoCAD but taking more time. Okay, so you are not doing all the modelings. Okay, so that's why in AutoCAD 3D is not using. AutoCAD used for only 2D and isometric drafting purpose only. Okay, why how to use AutoCAD means AutoCAD used for only drafting purpose. For drawing 2D drafting and isometric drafting. Why you are doing 2D drafting and isometric drafting means I am doing any model. Okay, so before I want to need the drafting first. Without drafting I am not create any model is not possible. Okay, so that's why so you want to do the drafting in AutoCAD, right? So after that in AutoCAD is not use 3D, right? Okay, so why means, so here remaining softwares are there na, CATIA, Creo, SolidWorks, NXCAD, Inventor, Fusion 360, SolidWorks. These all softwares used for modeling purpose. These all are the 3D modeling softwares. Okay, so in these softwares used for modeling. Okay, so in AutoCAD 3D what how to do, so by using this softwares also you are doing so same one. Okay, so by using this softwares you are doing work very easily and saving more time. Okay, that's why so advanced softwares are there. Okay, by using this softwares are only you are doing modeling, so that's why in AutoCAD 3D is not using. Clear? Okay, so CATIA, Creo, SolidWorks, NXCAD, Inventor, Fusion 360, Solid Gates. These all softwares is used for modeling purpose. Okay, so in that 3D modeling, so next one here, CAE softwares are there, na? Why how to use CAE softwares? So this CAE softwares used for analysis purpose, right? Okay, the software is used for analysis purpose. Okay, so in market number of analysis softwares are there, right? Okay, like ANSYS, okay, Hypermesh. Okay, so next one, Abacus. Okay, so Nastran. In this way, so number of softwares are there. Okay, so next one, CAM softwares. Okay, this software is used for manufacturing purpose. The software is used for manufacturing purpose. So in that softwares, so Dell Cam, Master Cam, okay, Inventor Cam, NX Cam, number of softwares are there. Okay, so this all softwares used for manufacturing purpose. Okay, so in this way so many are there. Just as example I am discussing some of the softwares. Okay, Semetron. So in this way, so these three types of markets are available in market for mechanicals. Okay, CAD softwares and CAE softwares and CAM softwares. Okay, so in that CAD softwares, number of softwares are there. CAE softwares also number of softwares are there. Okay, CAM softwares also number of softwares are there. Okay, but CAD softwares is used for design purpose. CAE softwares is used for analysis purpose, and CAM softwares is used for manufacturing purpose. Okay. After that, see, so in this way, four types of engineers who are doing work. First one is draftsman. Okay, design engineers. Okay, next one is analysis engineers. Okay, next one is manufacturing engineers. Okay, so these four types of engineers doing work. Okay, that time only one product is comes into the market. Okay, so draftsman is working, design engineers is working, analysis engineer is working, and manufacturing engineers is working. That time only, so one product is comes into the market is possible. You are using all the softwares compulsory. Okay, that time only product will be comes into the market is possible. Okay, సో ఇవన్నీ సాఫ్ట్వేర్స్ యూజ్ చేస్తేనే ఒక ప్రోడక్ట్ అనేది మార్కెట్లోకి వస్తుంది. ఓకేనా, సో డ్రాఫ్ట్స్మెన్ ఈజ్ దేర్. వాట్ డూయింగ్ వర్క్ డ్రాఫ్ట్స్మెన్. Okay, so draftsman doing work only drafting. Okay, so you are learning only AutoCAD, right? Okay, you are doing work always as a draftsman only. You are doing only drafting. Okay, for example, you are learning any 3D modeling software like CATIA, Creo, SolidWorks, or NXCAD, Inventor, Fusion 360, or SolidWorks. Okay, so you are learning any 3D modeling software. That time you are working as a design engineer. Okay, in design engineer, what you have to do? You are doing modeling. Okay, so you are learning any CAE software like ANSYS, Hypermesh, or Abacus, anyone. So in that time you are working as a analysis engineer. Okay, you are doing only analysis. Analysis means, so this component having how much stress, strain, how much force, how much deformation. Okay, you are calculating all the values. Okay, by using analysis. Okay, so after analysis, so you are doing manufacturing, that right? Okay, in that time you are using the manufacturing softwares. Okay, so in that way, so in market these three types of softwares are there. Okay, so you are using all the softwares, that time only one product will be comes into the market. You are working all together, draftsman or design engineer, analysis engineer, manufacturing engineer. Okay, now you are choosing AutoCAD, CATIA, AutoCAD or any 3D modeling software. For example, you are working as a draftsman. Okay, or you are working as a design engineer also, but you are doing only one work, that is draftsman or design engineer. For example, you are learning AutoCAD, CATIA, and ANSYS, for example. Okay, you are learning one CAD software. Okay, one analysis software. Okay, so you are working as a like a design engineer or analysis engineer only. Okay, so you are not doing whole work in companies is not possible, right? Okay, so in that way, so these three types of softwares are there. Okay, so you are choosing now CATIA, right? Okay, so now you are choosing CATIA software. Okay, so CATIA is the one of the 3D modeling software. CATIA is one of the 3D modeling software. So your software is now CATIA. Your software is what? CATIA software. You are choosing this one, right? So CATIA is one of the 3D modeling software. 3D modeling software. Okay, CAD is one of the 3D modeling software. This software is used for modeling purpose only. Why have to use this software? This software is used for modeling purpose. The software is used for modeling purpose. Okay, so the software is released by a company, released by a company, Dassault Systems. Dassault Systems. Okay, CATIA is released by a company, Dassault Systems. Okay, so this is one of the France-based company. This is one of the multinational France-based company. This is one of the multinational France-based company. Okay, so SolidWorks and CATIA is both having same company. SolidWorks and CATIA having both having same company. Okay, so CATIA is one of the 3D modeling software. This is how the software used for modeling purpose. The software is released by a company Dassault System. This is one of the multinational France-based company. Okay, SolidWorks CATIA both having same company. One more important point is, okay, so one more important point is CATIA is the CATIA is the PLM software. CATIA is one of the PLM software. PLM means product life cycle management. Product life cycle management software. CATIA is one of the PLM software. Okay, so this is the important point. CATIA is one of the PLM software. PLM means product life cycle management. Okay, so anyone tell me what is product life cycle management? Okay, so product life cycle management means CATIA is the PLM software, right? Okay, PLM software means this software is used for this software is used for is used for design, analysis, and manufacturing purpose. నువ్వు మొన్న కూడా వచ్చావు కదా సాలిడ్ వర్క్స్ క్లాస్ లో వచ్చావు నువ్వు వస్తున్నావు పోతున్నావు మరి క్యాటేక్ మళ్ళీ వచ్చినావు జాయిన్ అవ్వాలి కదా వర్క్ వచ్చి ఆ క్లాస్ ఒకటి ఈ క్లాస్ ఒకటి ఆ?
రెండింటిలో ఇది నేర్చుకోవాలంటే కొంచెం కన్ఫ్యూజన్ ఉంటుంది దాని గురించి
Okay, so this software you use for design, analysis and manufacturing purpose. See what is PLM means, which software is used for design and analysis and manufacturing, that software is called PLM software. Okay, and this software is used for CAD purpose, CAE purpose and CAM purpose. Okay, design అంటే ఏంది CAD కదా. Okay, so the software is used for CAD, CAE and CAM. Okay, so PLM software means this software is used for CAD, CAE and CAM, design purpose and analysis purpose and manufacturing purpose. You are using all three purposes is called, okay, so that software is called PLM software. Okay, and SolidWorks is only for CAD and CAE software. SolidWorks is used for design and analysis purpose only, CAD and CAE only. Already I am discussing in introduction. But this software is used for manufacturing also. But so this software is used for only design purpose. So in that software not using for analysis and not used for manufacturing. Some of the companies, some rare conditions using for analysis and manufacturing also. Okay, why is not using means, for example in AutoCAD 3D is there, but in AutoCAD 3D you are not using. You can come to the advanced softwares, 3D modeling softwares. Why how to come to the softwares means, so having some advantages are there. Okay, that's why you are choosing the advanced 3D modeling softwares. You are doing modeling by using these softwares only. Okay, that's why you are not using in AutoCAD 3D. Same way, so in CATIA is used for analysis purpose, but not using analysis. Why means, so advanced analysis softwares are there. Okay, like ANSYS, Hypermesh, okay, Abacus, these softwares. So you are doing this, you are using these softwares, you are doing analysis very easily, and any analysis is possible to do it, okay, in these softwares. Okay, and saving more time also. Okay, so same way in CAD is analysis also there, but are not using analysis. Why means, so it is taking time for analysis, and you are not doing any difficulty components for analysis. You are not doing this taking time. Okay, that's why you are not using here. Okay, sometimes you are using this. Same as manufacturing is there. Okay, so advanced manufacturing softwares are there. By using that softwares you are doing manufacturing very well. Okay, so you are reducing the time also. Okay, in that time, okay, you can choose that softwares only. So you are not choosing this one. Okay, okay, so that's why, so not using for CAE and manufacturing purpose. Okay, you are using for only CAD purpose only, design purpose only. Okay, this is also one of the design software only. Okay, but this is in software used for all three purposes. Okay, so this is, that's why this is one of the PLM software. Okay, product life cycle management. Okay, one product is comes into the market compulsory, so you are doing drafting, design, analysis and manufacturing. That time only that product will be comes into the market. Okay, so that is called PLMs, product life cycle management. Okay, right. Okay, see, after that one important point is, any 3D modeling software is used for, okay, what purpose? Any 3D modeling software is used for, చెప్పండి భయ్యా, any 3D modeling software is used for, దేనికి యూజ్ చేస్తామయ్యా? ఏం చెప్పాను నేను సాలిడ్ వర్క్ చెప్పినప్పుడు? ఎనీ 3D modeling software is used for, చెప్పబోయంటే క్లాస్కి రావద్దు. Any 3D modeling software is used for what purpose? Product design. దేనికోయా మీరు క్లాస్ లేనారు? Any 3D modeling software is used for product design. I am discussing or not this one? డిస్కస్ చేశానా లేదా సాలిడ్ వర్క్స్ ఇంట్రొడక్షన్ క్లాస్లో? మరి ఆయన చేస్తే నువ్వేం చేస్తావు? Any 3D modeling software is used for product design. Okay, what is product?
Sir,
Electrical.
assembling of some components to have a final product.
Yes.
To assemble one or two more components to a final product.
Ah. Okay, so what is product? For example, you can take the real-time examples. For example, you are using a daily bike, right? Okay, so bike is called a product. Bike is called a one product. Okay, you can take the car. Car is called a one product, right? Why bike is a product and car is a product? For example, you can take the chair is example. The chair is a product or not? The chair is a product or not? It is not a product. Hmm? On mechanical point of view, it is not a product. Okay, so in mechanical point of view, this is not a product. Chair is not a product. Okay, so but you can take this marker. Okay, this marker is a product or not? As a mechanical point of view. So this laptop is a product or not? Product, right? Okay, mechanical point of view, what is product means? So more than two parts you can assemble together. Okay, so that product will become in market you are using that one is called a product. ఓకే, సో అంటే నీకు ఆ ప్రోడక్ట్ని చూసినప్పుడు ఆ ప్రోడక్ట్లో నీకు నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఇండివిజువల్ పార్ట్స్ అనేది ఉండాలి, వాటిని అసెంబుల్ చేసి ఉండాలి. అసెంబుల్ చేసి ఉంటేనే దాన్ని ప్రోడక్ట్ అంటాం. అర్థమైందా? ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ బైక్ తీసుకున్నారు, బైక్లో ఏముంటాయి? నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ కాంపోనెంట్స్ ఆర్ దేర్. ఓకే, లైక్ టైర్, వీల్ రింగ్, చైన్, బోల్ట్స్, nuts, pistons, connecting rods, crank cases. Okay, so many are there na. Okay, finally you can assemble all the components, that time only that is called a product, right? Okay, so any component is not there in that. Okay, you are not using you are not using that, bike is not possible. ఓకే, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ నువ్వు బైక్ చేస్తున్నావు, చైన్ దిగిపోయింది భయ, బైక్ నడుపుతావా? పోదుగా. ఓకే, కంపల్సరీ ఆల్ కాంపోనెంట్స్ యూ వాంట్ టు నీడ్. ఓకే, సో దట్ టైమ్ ఓన్లీ యూ ఆర్ యూజింగ్ దట్ ప్రోడక్ట్ ఈస్ పాసిబుల్. Okay, so that is called a product. Means, so any 3D modeling software is used for product design. Product design means any product you are design, not a bike or anyone, not a mechanical, any product, electrical or civil, anyone you are doing, but you are not using that civil and electrical purpose, you are mechanical, right? So you are using for mechanical purpose only. Okay, mechanical products only you are doing design. Okay, so any 3D modeling software is used for product design. Any product you are doing design. Okay, that is the meaning of the product. Clear? So this is the small introduction about all the softwares. Okay, all mechanical softwares, and what is the different what is the use of the CAD software, what is the CAE softwares, what is the CAM softwares. You know this small introduction. Okay, before you are learning any software. Okay, for example, you are learning AutoCAD software, what is the use of the AutoCAD software, you are learning that. Okay, so you are learning CATIA software, what is the use of the CATIA software? Okay, so what is the difference between the AutoCAD software and CATIA software? So why have to use AutoCAD software and why have to use CATIA software? Okay, so you are learning next one more software, SolidWorks. What is the difference between these softwares, CATIA and SolidWorks? AutoCAD, what is the difference? Okay, so you are learning ANSYS software. Okay, what is the difference between CATIA and ANSYS? Okay, why have to use CATIA, why have to use ANSYS? Okay, so you know the all the softwares. Okay, why have to use softwares that time? So you are choosing which software is you are interested, you are choosing that one. Okay, you are doing it as a design engineer, you are, you are taking any 3D modeling software like CATIA, Creo or SolidWorks and XCAD, any software. Okay, the softwares, all softwares used for modeling purpose. For example, you are working as an analysis engineer. Okay, you are interested in that. Okay, you are choosing the analysis softwares only. Okay, so manufacturing softwares are there, but in institutes manufacturing softwares are not discussing anywhere. Okay, so in companies only using manufacturing softwares, manufacturing companies. Okay, so that's why not discussing any manufacturing softwares in the institutions. Okay, that is very difficulty to teach that manufacturing. Okay, so that's why not teaching that in real time, only you are teaching that softwares is that time only you are understanding that manufacturing softwares. That way in the institutions is not discussing this. Okay, so these three types of software using all mechanical engineers. Clear? So what you have to interest, you are joining them. But doing work is very hard. Okay, in that time only you can get in job. Okay, so design is not easy. Okay, that is some difficulty for mechanicals. Okay, when this is difficult means you are learning half of the software or learning half of the knowledge. Okay, in that time design is difficult. Okay, so you're getting total knowledge on the softwares. Okay, that time very easy to work in a design. Okay. Hmm. Okay, that is also important point. Clear? Okay, so tomorrow